J Drone here. What's going on, guys? Got this little RC car out. Dude, these are bright, really bright. But we're gonna go ahead and send it. Look here, I just got a pine cone here. These pine cones are pretty big. We're gonna send it in this general area, so when it's bouncing around, that's what it's going over. I already did a test run on the battery without it charged. This battery is full. Little 3.7 battery, not crazy fast, but it's getting it done. And this is why this is a J Drone channel. 2-cell battery, 7.4 versus that bad boy, the stock one, which is a Lion 3.7. So we're doubling the voltage, not recommended, definitely by the manufacturer, but let's see what happens. We're probably gonna get some get up and go. So far so good. Lights didn't fizzle out, that's always a worry. The onboard lights are handling. So I think this is gonna be able to handle that 7.4, and I think it's gonna have some giddy up. .4 volt, definitely the way to go with this, and it's so good though. It turns this from being a super plastic toy for super beginners to, hey, this thing got a little bit of speed now. We'll let it run just a little bit more. So then it kind of goes into a lag mode. I mean, reverse is good, but the forward, it kind of seems to want to jump. But I think if we lift it up, maybe something to do with the gear. And again, that's always a precaution, because this thing's going to be running much faster than it was anticipated to. All in all, proceed with caution, but 7.4 turned this thing up.